How to passcode lock TikTok on any iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. Press and hold the application you want to hide from here. For example, TikTok. Here, tap on Require Face ID. The TikTok app will now require a Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. Or, you can also tap on Hide and require Face ID instead. With this setting, the app will no longer be visible on your iPhone, except in a few places such as Settings. Now, go back and tap on the TikTok app to open it. As you can see, you will require your Face ID or passcode to unlock TikTok. Following these steps, you can easily passcode lock TikTok on any iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.